elbows if you fall over, so you don't bang up your elbows. Trust me, the day you fall,
Dentro de poco.
Va a ser un profesional que va a hacer como el
this
double backflip.
No sé, John le arregló a él a donde estaba cerrado
Good boy, huh?
la pista para él hace harto. John esperó por este día mucho tiempo. Sí. Lo que pasa es que ahorita está con nieve, pero ¿te acuerdas dónde estaba la reja?
You'll be okay.
En ese bosquecito pequeñito que hay ahí.
You will
Ahí.
be okay.
Él tiene el camino marcado, él tiene ya su pista.
And I don't know how that works. How that just does
Yeah,
that.
just like that.
He doesn't need to have his fingers free.
Just in case you need it.
Okay, let mommy put your coat on, and then I'll put your helmet on.
Come here, Mia.
You're going to battle.
You phone is red. Your phone.
Yeah, trust me, it's nobody I want to talk to.
Oh man.
I just want to talk to you.
That's to me. Okay.
I like your outfit. That's a nice outfit you got for snow. That's really good.
Yeah, it's really
I like
nice.
it. It looks good.